Missouri spent more than $6 million in legal expenses in just the month of May.
That's according to the most recent report from the State Attorney General's office. ABC 17's Joe McLean joins us with another WASTEBUSTERS report tonight, looking into how the state is spending your tax dollars in the courtroom.
The Legal Expense Fund covers the cost of all judgments and settlements in lawsuits involving the state government. In May, that amount was higher than any month so far this year and last year. The Attorney General's office publishes monthly reports on where the money in the state's legal expense fund goes. Most recently, in May, the total tab for judgments and settlements was just more than $6 million. The lion's share of that was a settlement with a Kansas City area teacher who sued the Department of Social Services claiming racial discrimination after her 2012 firing. But it cost the state nearly $5 million.
We represent the people. We also represent all the different agencies in the state of Missouri. So no matter what the issue is, we're the lawyers, right? So we do everything we can to represent the state's interest to the best ability we can, whether that's by way of settlement, whether that's taking a case ultimately to trial.
This graph shows 2018 and the first 5 months of this year. You can see the most recent report in May is the only one to top $6 million. In 2017, the total amount spent out of the legal defense fund was just under $23 million. Last year, that amount was about $5 million more. And in just the first 5 months of this year, the legal defense has already cost more than $15 million. Whatever the cost of the state's legal defense, Schmidt says the information will be available to the public.
Our main focus really is to be as transparent as we can. We want to have a culture of professionalism and uphold the rule of law in this office.
While the Department of Social Services was obviously the highest defense cost in May, the department with the most frequent appearances on the report was the Department of Corrections. With this WASTEBUSTERS report, I'm Joe McLean.
And you can take a look at the reports for yourself by heading to our website, abc17news.com. You'll be able to let us know, too, what you think we should investigate next.